A constantly running toilet is also annoying and a giant waste of water as well. There are actually 3 different reasons for this type of problem, and the first 2 are pretty easy to diagnose and correct. If the water level in the tank is set too high, it will continually run and spill into the overflow tube. By turning the adjustment screw on the inlet valve, you can lower the water level beneath the top of the tube. On some models, this adjustment is made at the top of the tank, but the results are the same. The second culprit is a leaky flapper valve at the bottom of the tank. You can check this very easily by adding food coloring to the tank water and watching for it to show up in the bowl without the toilet being flushed. You can also get a closer look at the flapper by turning the water off, flushing the tank to empty, and closely inspecting the flapper. If it's cracked or warped, it needs to be replaced. If both of these remedies fail, you may have to replace the working components of the toilet. And fortunately, there are kits that provide all the parts and instructions to effectively rebuild everything inside the toilet tank. In some cases, this may require removing the tank, which also makes putting the new components back in a little easier since you don't have to work in such a tight spot. These kits will vary with manufacturers, so follow the instructions with the one you choose.